Today is the day about investing in yourself, so I'm doing something that I have never done before. If you've been paying attention to authorityxpro.com, which is my 24/7 sales and content coach that is trained on thousands of data points and hours of my own training, all of my experience, it is just going crazy. 1,800 people have used it in 2 months, and it only has good reviews. If you've been paying attention and you even did the free trial at one point and you love it, but you haven't been able to afford a full year of Authority X Pro, today is your lucky day, but only for a few hours. I'm doing a flash sale for 60 days. You will get full 24/7 access for just $199. That's right. Incredible. A little over $3 per day for something that in 24 hours, if you did the trial, you know how much you can do in 24 hours. So this is your moment. Go right now. I've put the link below. If you go to authorityxpro.com, if you don't see the link, just go to authorityxpro.com. You'll see it at the top of the page. Get in where you fit in. You don't even have to resubscribe after the 60 days. But if you want to, if you ever want to upgrade to yearly, you'll get a prorated discount to yearly. If you ever want to cancel, you'll do the rest of your 60 days. You're fine. And you don't have to cancel it in order to be automatically just taken away. So, what can you accomplish in 60 full days? You can do so much with it. And I can't wait. I know that the majority of the people who use it for 60 days are going to upgrade to annual. That's why I can do this sale now. I'm investing in myself and in my belief. And if you're still here and you haven't run out to get it, I know that you're skeptical because I know how sales works. So I am going to show you a little bit of proof, but go ahead and go. If you already believe, if you're already ready, do not miss out. So Authority X Pro, this is my membership, Your First 5K. People who have used Authority X Pro, Joni just said 12 hours ago in Spanish, but I translated it to English, said, I want to thank Arlan for giving us access to AXP for these 24 hours. Honestly, it was a transformative experience for me. I came in with a lot of ideas, a lot of doubts, feeling scattered. Using AXP and applying the blueprint, I found something I had been searching for a very long time, or she said, long time, clarity. I was able to identify my direction, my focus, and my plan for the next 90 days. I'm not exaggerating when I say this tool changed the way I think about my business and my future. It helped me clearly see what truly matters and stop running in multiple directions. If you have the opportunity to use AXP, use it with intention. Ask questions, explore, and make the most of every minute. The answers you're looking for in your business, your mindset, and your next steps may be closer than you imagine. I am deeply grateful for this experience. Now it's my turn to do the work, one step at a time. Boom! Okay? Awesome. And then let's see. This is like a 100-minute demo that I did. You can find it on YouTube or you can find it here in Your First 5K. Big win at 72. Karen said, I have some awesome news. I had my first clarity workshop last night. 8 ladies attended and paid $297 each. Authority X Pro helped me every step of the way and even ongoing with follow-up strategy. I am sold on AXP. Now listen, my big win at 72, she had 8 people paying almost $300 each. That's $2,400 almost. And she said AXP took her through the whole thing. So you pay $199, get access for 60 days, hit the ground running and start right away. And you are going. Look, they paid for her trip because of AXP. Atia says, I've been loving AXP. It helped me package several offers and the wording to navigate the communication about them. I even landed an engagement with a dream client. They are flying me in for a week starting today, which was 5 days ago. So she's been with them the whole week because of Authority X Pro and her own initiative. Claudia made $3,100 in 2 weeks as a medium, and it goes on and on. Authority X Pro is the bomb. 30X Pro is incredible. More than 2,000 messages are sent every single day through Authority X Pro, which means lives changed, clarity given, ideas fleshed out, and some money made. In love with Authority X Pro. AXP has given me clarity. I got my first AXP win and with a massive shift in how I do business. It goes on and on. My first sale after using AXP. AXP, my first launch. Karen's been doing it. AXP done it again. You see? Boom, boom, boom. It helped my anxiety. What? You have 24 hours less than. Let's go.